Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome again sa ating channel, no? Matuto Dapat. And we have additional examples on simple interest method. Muli, this is your Professor Engineer Eduardo Tapia. Now we have a review on simple interest formula. Okay, finding the interest using simple interest method is I equals PRT. To compute for the principal or the present value, P equals I over RT. To compute for time, we have T equals I over PR. To compute for interest rate, you have R equals I over P and T, P times T. And to compute for future value, you have F equals P plus I, or the principal plus the interest, or you have P times 1 plus RT. Okay? So, example 1, find the simple interest and the amount due for 20,000 pesos invested in the business for 5 years and 3 months and at 4% per year. So dito, ang given time natin ay mayroong months. So paano po kapag mayroon siyang given na months? Okay? So ang gagawin po natin, we have to divide the months into 12. No, kasi since ang isang taon ay mayroong 12 months. So para mas madali, ang gagawin natin, we have to convert the years into months, tapos i-add natin po yung months, no? So 5 years and 3 months is equal to 63. 63 months divided by 12. So 20,000 times 0.04 times 63 divided by 12, and the interest is 4,200 pesos. Okay? Kasi ang ating interest, tanda natin, is computed based on year, no? And the full amount is F equals P plus I, or the 20,000 plus 4,200, and F natin ay 24,200 pesos. Okay, so therefore the interest of 20,000 pesos for 5 years and 3 months at 4% per year is 4,200 pesos, and the future value is 24,200 pesos. Okay, so ganun po siya. Example number 2. Find the interest rate if 25,000 pesos loan earns 2,700 after 8 years and 7 months. So again, mayroong months again. Okay, so you have the given 25,000 ang ating principal, the interest ay 2,700, ang time ay 8 years and 7 months. So, ang hinahanap natin ay interest rate. So, R equals I over P times T. So, 2,700 divided by 25,000 times ang 8 years times 12 ay 96 months. Okay, 96 months. Plus 7 months, kaya naging 103 months, no? 103 over 12. So, yun yung po yung magiging time natin. So, 2,700 divided by 20. Kapag ito, okay, kapag ito ay ating i-solve, no? 25,000 times 100 divided by 12, that is 214,583.33. Diba? Times 100 natin, so makuha natin, ang rate natin ay 1.26%. Okay, so the interest rate ay 1.26%. Number 3, determine the present value if the money earns 6,300 pesos after 7 years and 5 months using 10% interest rate. Okay, so 7 years and 5 months naman to. No? So, ang solution, you have P equals I over RT. So, ang 7 years times 12, that is 84 months. Okay, 84 months plus 5 months, kaya meron tayong 89 over 12 dito sa ating time. So, 6,300, which is the interest, times 0.10 times 89 divided by 12. So, ang magiging sagot natin dyan, so itong nasa denominator natin, 0.10 times 89.12 ay 0.7416667. Okay? So, kapag may months, divide lang natin sa 12 yung months, no? Para hindi tayo mahirapang mag-compute, ang gagawin natin, lahat po yung, pati yung years, i-convert natin sa months para naging improper fraction. So, 6,300 divided by 0.741667, ang answer ay 8,494.38 pesos. Okay? So, yun po yung ating sagot dyan, the present value or the principal amount. Number 4, determine the future value for 57,000 pesos invested in the business for 9 months and at 8% per year. Okay? So, ang given natin ay 57,000 pesos ang principal. Ang rate natin ay 8%, or 0.08. Ang given time ay 9 months. So, wala po siyang 1 year, no? So, ang inahanap ay F, no? So, to find for F, you have F equals P times 1 plus RT. So, wala din po tayo mahirapan kasi 9 months naman. So, divide natin sa 12 kagad. So, 57,000 times 1 plus 0.08 times 9 over 12. So, kapag ito i-compute natin, that is, itong 0.08 times 9 divided by 12, that is 0.06. So, plus 1 times 57,000. Ayan. Okay, kaya nagiging 60,420. Okay? So, yun po yung ating paano i-solve, no? Kapag ang given time ay mayroong months. Okay, so therefore, the full amount is 60,420. Right? So, you have now your activity to answer. You have 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. Yan. So, may mga given na months po to, no? Yung ating mga, ito yung given na, no? So, tapos, okay. Now, activity number 2, solve the following problems. Number 1, determine the full amount and the interest if 75,500 pesos invested in a business for 8 years and 7 months at 12.5% interest rate. Number 2, how long 18,000 pesos becomes 31,500 pesos if invested in a business that yields 30% interest rate per year. Find the interest rate if 35,000 pesos become 42,000 pesos after 3 years and 7 months investment. If a loan becomes 25,500 pesos after 3 years and 8 months at interest rate of 15%, how much is the loan? Alright, so yun po yung ating activity. And I hope you learned from this lesson. Thank you very much for watching and keep learning. God bless you.